What's going on, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Southeast Angling. I think this is like my third video in about 2 weeks, so I'm really cranking out these uploads. Got a good one planned for the day, so stay tuned. Alright, so for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the top 5 baits for year-round creek fishing. I'm in a stream that's located in North Atlanta, and I've never fished here before, so we're going to see how it does. So the first bait I want to go over is none other than the inline spinner or Rooster Tail. Pretty much, if you go to a creek and you throw this bait, probably a 99% chance you'll catch a fish. This is just a great year-round, all-around creek fishing bait that really can't be ignored. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this for a while and see what we can get on that, and then switch on to the next bait. Alright, first cast with the Rooster Tail. See some little fish following it. They look like maybe baby bass. See them in right there. There's fish. Alright, there we go. First fish of the day. Looks like red breast, I think. Alright, so one fish there. I'm going to go ahead and move up to that part of the stream and see what's up there. Now, a good creek tactic to use when fishing creeks is it's always better to fish upstream because all the dirt and dust you kick up and noise is going to flow downstream with the current. So usually you'll find better luck fishing upstream than downstream. There's a fish. There we go. Alright, second fish of the day. Looks like another red breast. You just swiped at it. There we go. Alright guys, second fish of the day. The last one I couldn't record in the other camera because I dropped it before I could get the camera out, but it's our second fish. Looks like another red breast. Pretty fish. Oh. Okay, well I dropped him too. There's one. It's a nice red breast. Alright, there we go. Third fish of the day. Definitely not going to drop this one. Alright guys, third fish of the day. And I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the second bait after I release this guy and take a couple photos. So, Rooster Tail all in all worked pretty good. Caught about 3 fish in a span of 20 minutes maybe. I'm going to go ahead and release this guy. See you later, buddy. Alright, got the next bait tied on here. It's a little 1/64 ounce jig head with a bright orange trout magnet. Now I haven't used this bait too much, so I might only catch 1 or 2 fish on it and then switch it up. There's one. Alright. Got a fish on the trout magnet. Alright, first fish on the trout magnet. Just a little bluegill. See you later, buddy. Got one. Another tiny bluegill on the trout magnet. Alright guys, fifth fish of the day. Got a little bluegill on the trout magnet. This one's really green. But I'm gonna go ahead and switch baits again and let this guy go. Alright, got the third bait tied on. It's a small little silver and red jerk bait. See those fish up there? Jumping on the surface? Got one. That was sick. This, I believe, is a pumpkin seed. Alright guys, 6 fish of the day. Got them on the little topwater jerk bait. It was a pretty cool strike. But now we're gonna let this guy go. See you later, buddy. Alright, gonna go for one more on this bait and switch it up. There's one. Another pumpkin seed. Alright guys, 7 fish of the day. I think this is either a green sunfish or a pumpkin seed. Can't really tell. But like I'm on that small little jerk bait. I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of this guy and let him go. Alright, see you later. Gonna take 1 or 2 more casts with this bait at this location and switch it up before I go to the next. Oh, I think I have a fish. Oh. Wow, I can barely even feel this guy. That's crazy. He's just as big as the bait. Look at that. Alright guys, got our 4th bait of the day here. Small little cricket bait. Works great for creeks that have a lot of insect life and a lot of insect forage around them, because this is basically what the fish are feeding on. Right in front of me. I hope that got on camera. I could literally see him take it. Yep, he got hooked pretty good. All 3. Alright guys, 9th fish of the day here. Got one on the cricket. Just a nice little bluegill. See you later. Alright, this may be the last spot of the day. I don't know yet. I'm going to try to get all the baits in, but it's getting pretty dark, so I'm not sure. That would be the crane. There's one. There we go. Alright guys, fish number 10 of the day. Got a pretty nice sized red breast. We're gonna go ahead and let this guy go. But caught him on the cricket bait. Now I'm gonna go ahead and switch up. Alright guys, unfortunately my GoPro camera actually ended up dying. So I don't have enough battery to film the last lure. But the last lure is just this little 1/16 ounce jig head with any type of small soft plastic on it. You throw it in the creek, use a twitch pause retrieve. You're probably gonna have some pretty good luck. Other than that, that's pretty much it for today's video. Overall, for my first time fishing here, it's pretty good. Lots of different species of fish. A bunch that I saw I didn't even catch, but pretty cool ecosystem. Definitely going to be coming back here again sometime in the future, maybe do some micro fishing or try to get on some creek bass because I know they're in here, just they weren't biting today. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and drop a like.